I do think that, for example, a lot of other roles might be replaced before testers get replaced. And that's goes back to like the original statement of if we start thinking about this and really what has shifted, like what what is the new model of programming? Well, if the new model of programming is using data to program machines, then testers have a bunch of skills around data and how to slice data up and can really tell you how to shape a black box of inputs to outputs, right? Like this is a core fundamental principle of many of these AI systems that are black boxes. Now, every AI system is a black box, but most of the ones we'll be talking about today are very much these huge black boxes. On top of that, like I think there's huge potential for testers to actually start picking and choosing what they want, which area they want to dive into, right? Like one of my favorite areas to geek out on and nerd out on, if anyone knows me, is the area of adversarial networks. And I think this is just like a brilliant way for testers to kind of break into the space, is thinking about, hey, how can I help to design models that will try to break other models or go against what their purpose is, and then feed that back into making it better.